Picture this. It's Halloween night. The moon is glowing. The neighborhood kids are walking past your yard with candy buckets in hand. Suddenly, they stop in their tracks. Why? Because your house looks like it's been taken over by a giant nest of creepy crawling spiders. The tangled webs shimmer under the porch light, and right in the middle, dozens of fake spiders are lurking. Spooky, eerie, and unforgettable. That's the kind of reaction you can get with the Halloween spiderwebs decorations with fake spiders, a super simple, affordable way to turn any space into a haunted scene that will give your guests chills. And in this video, I'll break down exactly why this decoration is one of the most popular picks on Amazon right now. Don't forget, I've included the best deal links in the description below, so you can grab yours before Halloween night sneaks up. The Halloween Spiderwebs with Fake Spiders pack is designed to instantly transform your home, yard, or party space into something right out of a horror movie. What makes it stand out is how realistic it looks once it's stretched across your porch, doorway, or bushes. The webbing is made of soft but durable material that pulls and stretches just like a real spider web. You can cover trees, fences, even furniture inside your house. You get hundreds of square feet of coverage, enough to drape across a large yard or multiple rooms. That means you don't just get a small decoration, you get a full haunted house effect without spending much. And the best part? It comes with dozens of creepy crawly plastic spiders that you can place anywhere in the web to amp up the scare factor. Imagine guests reaching for the candy bowl only to realize they've got to stick their hand past fake spiders lurking in the webbing. It's lightweight, super easy to set up, and just as easy to clean up when Halloween is over. The material is weather resistant, so it won't fall apart if you hang it outdoors, and it won't lose its stretch if you use it again next year. Whether you're hosting a spooky party, decorating your yard for trick-or-treaters, or just want to freak out your neighbors, this kit delivers maximum effect for minimal effort. So, if you want your house to be the one everyone remembers this Halloween, the Halloween Spiderwebs decorations with fake spiders is an absolute must-have. It's affordable, creepy, and guaranteed to get people talking. You'll find the best Amazon deals linked in the description so you can grab it in time for the big night. This is Consumer Heaven, your go-to spot for the best Amazon finds. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, would you hang these webs inside, outside, or both? Thanks for watching, and have a spooky Halloween!